Introducing SwitchX. SwitchX is our new video-to-video model that lets you change your background and lighting in a single click while keeping the subject's detail exactly the same. Build yourself a professional podcast studio or go to the streets of New York. Go anywhere with same you, but a different world. You don't have to wait for the perfect light, perfect locations, or perfect time of the day to shoot your perfect content. Anywhere can be your perfect studio. Here's how it works. Upload your video and select the subject that you want to keep. Then create a reference image to define the lighting, background, and mood. Even if the subject looks different a bit, SwitchX will automatically fix it. And it's not just changing background, you can actually relight the entire scene or change your clothes depending on how you provide a mask. SwitchX is available for free during the beta period at Beeble. Come to Beeble and try it out. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Thank you. What do you think about SwitchX?
It's damn awesome. You should try it right now.